Hi, how are you? I am Herbalist Shahid. I am certified award winner, world number one herbal doctor. I am having patient in many countries and I am also experienced. I treat all these untreated sickness and diseases. And you know that I am a specialist even in all these diseases which are till now uncurable. Even medical science is saying there are many sicknesses and diseases which are uncurable. I am also challenging them that I am having a cure for all these diseases using my herbs, because I do experiments in my herbal laboratory and I also getting a very best results, because many patients which were untreated and which were uncurable, they were also got cured from my clinic. So what is today the topic? Today topic is very important and very interesting. This topic is about impotency in men. It's related to sexual timing. You know that sexual timing, when we are having a low sexual timing, we can't satisfy our wife. We can't satisfy our partner. Sexual timing is most important things for men. And I also want to tell you, if you are having your sperm count also low, so this medicine will also help to increase your sperm count. If you are just wishing and wants baby and you are thinking that your partner is not getting pregnant because you are having impotency problems, you are having sexual problems, you can't get erection. If you can't get also like a horny, and if you think that your penis size is very small, I mean your penis size is like width and even like other things, its length is very small, it's not width at all, and you also think that your penis is also not straight and you can't get erection, so this medicine is for you. These herbs for you, and best things, this medicine having no side effect. I also want to tell you interesting story. A couple from Germany came in my clinic. They were having a problem. They were having impotency. His wife was not satisfied from his partner. They were not also having baby. She wanted to get pregnant because you know that she was even doing many medicines. Both, partners were trying to get many medical treatments and they also tried many medicines. They were having many reports. I checked them and I given them this, my herbs, and I also told them that while using these herbs you have to intimate, you have to get physical with each other. After 5 days his wife was pregnant. So that's why if you are having any kind of impotency or problems, you no need to worry. Just use this herbs. Just only you have to use 5 days. In 5 days you will be amazed, and you will also see your sexual time is getting very longer. Another thing I also want to say, you if you want to try many rounds with your own partner, you can do it very easily because it's very best herbs for you. Let me give you the herbs. Before go towards the herbs, I want to request you, please subscribe and like and even share my channel to others. Okay, so let me give you the herbs. Herbs name is, first herb is sleep orchid. Okay, 150 gram. Second is asparagus racemosus. Okay, it's 150 gram. Next is chlorophyllum Okay, so chlorophyllum beryllium, you have to use it 150 gram. Next is Chorchigo or Chidus, you have to take it 150 gram. Next is silk cotton tree, 150 gram. Next is Tribulus. Tribulus, you have to take 150 gram. Next is Mimosa pudica, you have to take 150 gram. Next is Talmakhana, you have to take 150 gram. Next is Chonji, okay, you have to take Kongi 150 gram. Next is Marsh orchid, you have to take it 150 gram. And next is I wanna give you mastic gum, you have to take 50 gram. And next is clarified butter, you have to take 1.5 gram, 1.5 gram. And next is rock sugar, you have to take 1.5 gram. That's the herbs. You have to just grind it and just make a powder. After make a powder, you have to use half teaspoon in the morning, half teaspoon in the night time before sleep after dinner, and you have to use it 1 month. You will be amazed, you will be surprised, because the results will be super amazing, and you will also be very happy and excited, and you will share to others. So this was for you. I will come in next meeting, I will get a next video for you with a new herbs. So my number is 0092 344. I wanna give you my number again, 0092 301 760 8032. Let me give you my second number, 0092 222 and 8032. That's my number. I will meet you in next video. Allow me to go. I will meet you soon. Bye bye.